Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are at home, you are learning a lot of things. And so this is the last lesson, that is a balloon seller. What is the name of the lesson children? That is a balloon seller. The balloon seller, this is the worksheet 1, read and answer. Read the passage. One day an army of soldiers was marching through a forest. They had spent a long day battling with the enemy and were slowly making their way home. They were exhausted, hungry and thirsty. Some helpers, a few cooks and the drummer accompanied the army. So, this is the worksheet of lesson number 5. The drummer noticed the slow, tired steps of soldiers and decided to encourage them. He began to beat his drum to create an encouraging, uplifting rhythm. Soon, the soldiers began marching to the quick beat of the drum. They even started joking and laughing. So, here this is the passage where the an army of soldiers, they were marching through forest. Okay. So, they had spent, because after battling, see, whenever the soldiers are fighting with the other soldiers, obviously their strength has been decreased. So, now with their helpers and the cooks and the drummer accompanied the army, means they are helping them, they are with them, the army, to beat his drum and create the encouraging, uplifting rhythm. Like that drum beater, he has created the rhythm which encourages the soldiers. Soon the soldiers began marching to quick beat of the drum. Okay, they even started joking and laughing also. However, an enemy camp in the distance heard the sound of the drum. The enemy commander put together a group and rushed to the attack of soldiers. On seeing army come towards them, the soldiers began repenting the drummer's decision. So, what happened, you know children, because of the drummer, he was beating the drum. So, what happened? The opposite, the enemy's soldiers commander has listened that sound and he was attacking on the soldiers. Okay, and but the soldier repenting means they were thinking that why he has began to drum, he should not begin the drum. Okay, the drummer however decided to turn their disadvantage into an opportunity. He began beating the drum with all his might, creating a bold, inspiring song. A new courage stirred in the hearts of the soldiers. They fought bravely and defeated the enemy. When this reached the city, the captain went to the drummer and said, "Good and bad often flow from the same source." So, they are repenting the drummer's decision, like why he was drumming. But what has happened, the drummer take an opportunity, because he has this like problem solving mentality. So, he has again he has sing with the inspiring song. Then what happened, and this new courage is started from the hearts of the soldiers, and they defeat the enemy soldiers also. Okay, this is the passage. Okay children, a bit, let us see the question and answers, like what are the exercises in that. The events of the story were mixed up in the summary. Number them in the correct order. The drummer decided to encourage them some music. Some soldiers were walking through the forest. They managed to defeat the enemy. Everyone regretted that drummer started playing music. The captain said that good and bad things come from the same source. The drummer wanted to turn the problem into an advantage. They were tired and exhausted. However, the enemy heard the drums and attacked the soldiers. He beat the drums and hard, encouraging the soldiers to fight. So, this is the numbering I have already done children, just note it down. First one, some soldiers are walking through the forest. Then what happened? They were tired and exhausted. Then what has happened here? The drummer decided to encourage them with some music, this one. All you have to write this children, okay. So, last one is this, they managed to defeat the enemy, and then again last one is this. The captain said that good and bad things come from the same source. Okay, this is the numbering children. Please pause the video and you can write it down. Okay. Next, tick the correct answers. The soldiers were marching through a desert, battlefield or forest. Obviously forest. They were accompanied by their general, drummer or a band. Obviously drummer. Okay, please tick this children. First one as C and second one as B. Turn the page, page number 20. Page number 20. On seeing the army rush towards them, the soldiers regret the drumming, started drumming or started shouting. Obviously regretting the drumming, because what happened after the sound of the drum, even the enemy's soldier also, commander also listened the sound. Okay. The drummer song was loud, long and loud, fast and silly, inspiring. Yes, it was inspiring. Good and bad often flow with the same source, not river, not person. So please tick the A bit. So what, C bit children? Match these words from the passage with their opposites. Exhausted, refreshed. Enemy, ally. Disadvantage, advantage. Started, ended. Bravely, cowardly. So these are the exhausted means tired, means refreshed. Okay, enemy, obviously who is not our friend, ally. Ally means a friend. Okay, advantage, disadvantage. Started, obviously ended. Bravely, cowardly. Those who don't have the courage, they are called as cowards. Okay, that is called as cowardly. Answer these questions. Why did the drummer first start beating the drum? Here children, the drummer noticed the slow, tired steps of the soldiers and decided to encourage them. That is the reason he has started the drum. So you can write here, the drummer noticed what children? The slow, tired steps of soldiers. The slow, tired steps of soldiers and decided to encourage them. Decided to encourage them. So this is the reason why the drummer first started beating the drum. Next one children, how did the enemy learn the soldiers' presence? The enemy learned of the soldiers' presence by hearing the sound of the drum at the distance. So from a distance they can listen the sound of the drum. That is the reason they can hear it. You can write down children. By hearing the sound of the drum at a distance. You can pause the video, you can write down. Next one, how did the soldiers manage to defeat the enemy? After listening a inspiring song, a new courage stirred in the hearts of the soldiers. They fought bravely and defeated the enemy. So this is the answer children. You can pause the video and you can write down children. Do you think the drummer did a wise thing when playing the drum the first time? Why? In my opinion, yes, he has done the very courageous things, and that is the reason he has not even he has beating the drum, but he has given a inspired song, and he has inspired so many soldiers. Yes, in my opinion it is there. So this is the homework for you, how you can write children. Okay, this is up to you. Okay children. So you can write this one, you just pause the video and you can write children. Yeah, like this I am saying, you just pause and write, or else you can take the screenshot and you can write. Yes. Now worksheet 2. See the worksheet 2 children in the page number 21. In the page number 21. 1. Worksheet 2, word wise. Find the synonyms of the words given below in the word search. Write the answers on the blanks. Kind, generous. You can write down, children. Kind, generous. Intelligent, clever. Fast, quick. Rich, wealthy. Youthful, young. Courageous, brave. Correct, right. Small, tiny. Broad, wide. Big, large. You can write down, children. Okay. Okay, what you have written here, they are in here this. Or just you write down, children. Quick, generous, wealthy, brave, large, tiny, right, clever, large, young, wide. You can write down, children. Easily you can write down this. It's clear. It's very clear. You can stop the video and you can write down. Okay, next one. Add prefixes from the brackets to form the opposites of these words. Okay, legal, illegal means you have to use IL. Happy, unhappy, not dishappy. You have to use this. Sense, nonsense, not unsense. Nonsense. Okay. Responsible, irresponsible, not unresponsible. You can write down, children. Next one, this. Common, uncommon. This is not non-common, will not come. Uncommon. Mature, immature. Likely, dislikely. Balanced, unbalanced, not disbalanced. Okay. I hope you have written, children. Next. Cross out the incorrect options in these sentences. So, please what I have crossed it, please write down, children. Where we are. See, where were you this afternoon? Anil and I were at the museum. We are going there again tomorrow. So, where I have here, you have to cross out we are, here you have to write were, and here you have to cross out we are. Okay, children. Place the apples there, not they are. Okay, full stop. They are to be given to Sushila auntie. They are given to be Sushila auntie. The dog is wagging tail so happily. Yes, it is just not stopping. So, here you have to cross the it's. Here you have to cross the there, here you have to cross the they are, and here you have to cross the it is. Okay. I hope you have done, children, this one all. Even the synonyms mean the same words. Okay. Now, page number 22, the worksheet 3. Page number worksheet 3, children, grammar. Fill in the blanks using the future tense of the verbs in brackets. I promise I will call you as soon as I get any news. So, you have to write will call. At this time tomorrow, Sneha will go to her grandmother. Will go. At the wedding, all the guests will bless the couple. If you look carefully, you will find the answer. You will. Every time you have to use will, because the future tense always it's come as a will. Rohan will reach at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Sandhya will help you to carry those bags. Will reach, will help. Yes. Now, write down this, children. Complete these sentences by following the given example. Will she play cricket tomorrow? She play. Okay. Will Varun clean his cupboard soon? Varun clean. Will you finish your homework in the evening? You finish. Will Daddy take Rover for the walk? Daddy take. Will girls return the library books today? Girls and return. Will trains run late because of the rains? All these are question mark because they are asking the questions. Trains run. Okay. You write down this, children. Please copy down and write down. Next. See. Fill in the blanks using not in the sentence. Follow the given example. I hope I will not miss the train. Not and miss. I will not swim in this cold weather. They will not cut those trees. Atul will not be able late again. Melissa and Zehan will not attend their guitar lesson. Okay, write down children. Write your name and class and please complete the worksheet and submit in the school premises. Now, next one is worksheet 4. This is there in the page number 23. Okay. Listen to your teacher and say some things about you and your class. Write true or false again each sentence. You leave this children, no problem in that. Speaking. Look at this picture carefully. There are 5 odd things about it. Take turns and tell your partner what things are odd about the picture. Okay. So, what are the 5 things that are odd in nature? Okay. First of all, there are no slippers for the teacher. And the dustbin is on the table. It should be corner of the class. And an animal, the monkey, is sitting on the back of the boys. That is also an odd one. And what you can see children? Yeah, even the windows are closed and the fan is also closed, and here the blackboard should be there, right? So this is all the odd one. Okay. And this one, writing. Write a dialogue between any 3 people discussing their favorite dish. They could talk about why they like it and when they eat it and how it is made. Okay. So please write down children. Mom, I like paisam a lot. Okay, full stop. So mom is saying that I like a paisam a lot. Mom, why do you like paisam? So this is asked by the child or else me. Okay. Then mom, it is so sweet and delicious. So dad is asking, so when you are preparing the paisam, so he has asked, mom, I ate paisam first time in my grandma's home and it is prepared by jaggery, milk, ghee and rice. I will prepare it tomorrow for you. So she has given like this. You can write the dialogue children, and between the 3 people. So it is there with the mom, dad and 1 child. Okay, that you can write down children. I am just turning the phone here so that you can write easily. Take a screenshot, pause the video and you can write down children. Okay, nice. This one, and write the name here, class here, and submit this worksheet in the school premises. Okay children, and complete this worksheet as well as the textual information. We have already completed the Sem 1 of English. Okay, so we have already completed the balloon seller lesson. Okay, just we will as soon as possible we will conduct the FA2 also. Okay children, so I hope you have done this and complete this and submit in the school premises. Okay children, take care children, bye everyone.